Hi, my Princess House friends, Linda Bradley here. So, I've had a lot of people ask me recently about joining the company, what it takes, how much money you can make, and what are the benefits. And so I decided to do a little video to show you some of the advantages of being a Princess House consultant. You can always reach out to me at Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. Go directly to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and you can actually sign up right there. So when you decide to join Princess House as a consultant, the first thing that you get is our starter kit. This is the best discount that we offer. So the starter kit consists of, and I'll tell you what each piece is, all of these different pieces. It's over $600 if you were to buy it flat out, but as a consultant, your discount is it's $199. The best part is if you don't have $199 right now, you can start with just a $75 deposit. Get your kit, your books, and all your starter forms, and then when you start to make money, the company will just take the rest of that starter kit out of your first couple of orders, whatever it takes to pay it off. So for as little as $75, you can join the company. Now, some of the advantages that you get once you are a Princess House consultant is that you can offer our fabulous specials to your family and friends. And when they order, you actually will get paid. The advantage of Princess House is that we have products that everybody needs, especially right now. Everybody's home cooking all of the time. And we have wonderful products that will help you have a healthy lifestyle for your family. It'll help make cooking fun for you again and clean up a whole lot easier. Most of our products have a lifetime warranty, our knives, our cookware, and these are things that will last the test of time. We have an online shopping experience. As you guys know right now, our party orders are delayed. There's been a lot of shipping issues, but our e-commerce orders come from a completely different factory, and there's no issues with that factory at all. So the orders will be delivered in 1 to 2 weeks. So you can just direct your friends to go online to your shopping club, and they can order, and then you actually will get paid on it. So how much do you get paid, and is it worth it for you? An average consultant will make 25 to 35% of her sales. It just depends on how much you send in over a 4-week period of time. So let's break that down. If you have people that have ordered $500 over a 4-week period of time, you'll end up making $125. If you have people that ordered 1,000 over that time, cumulative, doesn't have to be one person, then you will earn at least $250. And you know what? That's a nice little chunk of change that you can use towards your holiday shopping. But we also offer bonuses when you have more in sales. So if you have $1,500 in orders that are submitted over that 4-week period of time, now you'll earn $450. And this is where the real money starts to come. You can advertise on your own site. Look, you guys see how I do it. I'm not a spammy kind of an advertiser. I really just show the products through recipes and kitchen tips, and then I let the people see for themselves what they like. I don't push it in their faces. You can do the same thing, and I'll teach you how. So your friends will be able to see the beautiful products. They'll want them for themselves. They'll go to your website, they'll order them, and then you end up getting paid for it. If you decide you want to do it as more than just a little bit of part-time money, then you can progress as much as you want. You can even climb the leadership role and start to make more money. So it all depends on what you want out of it. Some people actually just start for the personal perks. They want to get the kit, and then they want to get the samples. We have great prices on samples, and you can do that too. We have a minimum of, you need to send in one $350 order in a 3-month period of time to stay active. And as long as you do that, you'll always get the specials that are available. You'll always get the samples that are available. So it makes it really easy. So do you want to see the kit? This is the first thing that you get when you sign up to be a Princess House consultant. We have some of the most popular items in here because we know that not only you want them, but you're going to want to show your customers and your friends. So the first is we have the new bamboo cutting boards. There are a set of 2. One is for the meat, one is for the fruits, and they have the silicone on the edges to make them non-slippery when you put them on a counter. In addition to that, you'll also get the 8-inch chef's knife. So this is one of the items that you'll use when you do your cooking. And then of course you get the healthy spatula. So this is with the, it has a little 3-ounce label right here. So as you go to serve, you know exactly how much it is. Also in your prep work, you're going to get your 5-in-1 Dyson chopper, and this comes with different blades, 5 different blades. Right now I have the thin one in here for the small dicing, and then there's also a large dicing one. And then you can also have, this is one that you'll see, it's for softer foods like mushrooms or hard-boiled eggs. And it also comes with 2 graters. One is a fine grater and one is a coarse grater. So these are good for like when you do your zest, when you do your oranges or lemons. So this whole set, or cheese actually, this whole set comes in your kit. Also, one of our Fantasia Fresh pieces. These are wildly popular. They come in all different shapes and sizes. This is the round 1 quart. And then, of course, the lid has the non-BPA plastic and then silicone, and it has the vent to keep all your freshness in. And you can also use it in the microwave. And also for freshness, we have wildly popular, the Fantasia. This is the medium produce keeper, so you can use this to keep all of your produce fresh. These pieces are amazing. Anytime somebody gets one of them, they're always ranting and raving about how their strawberries are fresh, their lettuce is fresh. It doesn't go bad. All right, and then we have 2 pieces of our stainless steel collection. This is the 8.5 inch, and this is part of the stackable collection. This is the healthy one. So it has measurements inside for a teaspoon or a tablespoon of oil. It also has measurements up the side. As a new consultant, I didn't even tell you about the bonuses, but as a bonus, you can earn the other 2 pieces in this group. So if you send in $1,500 in orders in your very first start period with Princess House, then you'll also earn the other 2 pieces, which is a 3.5 quart, this one, a 5.5 quart, and nope, hold on, a 4 quart and a 6 quart that also go up inside of this. Wait a second, I might be wrong. 10 inch, no, I'm right, 4 quart and 6 quart, I think. Or maybe it's a 6 quart and an 8 quart. I might have to get back to you on that. All right, so you can get that whole set. And then last but not least, we have the Fantasia, and this is the 2.5 quart. And the Fantasia is the one with the very special vents on the top. You can use these traditionally, but you can also use these special vents to cook with absolutely no oil and no butter. So it saves you calories, and it gives you the calories to put into your foods and not into like the condiments. So this is the entire set. Like I said, if you were to just flat out buy everything, it would cost you over $600. As a consultant, it's $199, and you can start with just $75. So reach out to me, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, or if you want me as your leader, and hello, why wouldn't you? You can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/LBradley, and go into Start Now, Start Your Business, and then it'll give you all kinds of information, and you can sign up online. We accept anybody in the United States. We can ship anywhere in the United States. And like I said, right now using e-commerce, you still have plenty of time to be able to offer your friends and family holiday shipping on the products that they need and love, and let's make a little bit of money for you, all right? I will be happy to tell you about the next level and what you can do with your business once you get started. So reach out to me and I'll tell you more.